Why do we need journal entries? So first day we discussed, I told you we never do any transaction processing, correct? In HFM or FCCS, we never do transaction processing. So why do we need journal entries?
To record a day-to-day transactions.
I told you there is no concept of day-to-day transactions in HFM. Once again.
But we can do some kind of adjustment also.
Yes, why do we need adjustments? That's what I'm asking you. So, what is the data we load to HFM?
ERP data only. Like
Which data?
The data which we entered is supplemental data only.
No. Which data is coming from SAP?
Past month.
Last month data.
Last month, which data? Means whether it is, what is the data, type of data it is we are getting? 2 days back somebody told. Harita garu, which data we are getting? YTD balances, right? End balances, correct? General ledger end balances means trial balance. Now you tell me, Ajit, trial balance is tallied or not?
It should be tally, sir. So
Tally, sir.
When you are loading a tallied balance sheet, then why do we need adjustments again? That is my question. Clear?
yeah, got it, sir.
Now you guess and answer. See, even if it is wrong, also try to answer. If we are loading a trial balance, which is a tallied trial balance, then why do we need to do the adjustments again?
So there are certain entries which we can't predict, sir. Like for instance, the contingent liabilities or the contingent assets is like based on contingency. So like whether in future it will happen or may not be. So
Correct. So what we can call them? What is the word we can use?
contingency, sir. Contingency.
Below the line items, yes?
Yeah. Off balance sheet.
After trial balance adjustments, correct?
Right.
Yeah, write down. First point. Journal entries, put heading, and why do we need journal entries? First point is below the line items or after trial balance adjustments. Below the line items. In accountancy, we use that word, that statement, below the line items. Below the line items or after trial balance adjustments. First one. Everybody understood? Okay. To be in detail, what Ajit told is, for example, you are having a pending court case. You don't know whether you will win or not. So, do we need to mention that in the financial statements? Yes or no? Maybe or may not be. But if it is affecting the true and fair view of financial statements, then we have to mention that. So, for example, that court case, if you win, you will get 1 crore. If you lose, you will lose 10 crores. Now you tell me, you have to mention that in the financial statements or not? Yes, which will affect the true and fair view of financial statements. First point is correct. Next point. Why do we need adjustments? Any other points? Why do we need adjustments? Sunil garu, Sajan, Venkat garu, Ravi garu. Why do we need adjustments? Guess cheyanamma, parledu. Please guess.
So realization of any kind of expenses, like
No.
Any errors we have done?
Errors, perfect. So rectification of errors. For example, SAP, in SAP they have entered a wrong journal entry. Instead of 786, they entered 876. Yes, they have extracted the data and they sent it to HFM. We loaded that one. Yes, our reporting cycle is almost completed. Now they told that we done a mistake and we rectified that. Please rectify from your end also. Do we need to load the data again from starting point? No, we don't do the reporting cycle completely once again. Whatever the journal entry they post there in SAP, right? The same thing, we will rectify the same error here also. Yes, Second point, write down rectification of errors. Next, any third one, third guessing. ఇంకా ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా, ప్లీజ్ ట్రై. సెకండ్
Suspense account, sir.
సారీ,
Suspense account, sir.
suspense account, perfect. Third one, write down suspense account. Okay, you have loaded the data, your reporting cycle is almost completed, but your balance sheet is not tallying. But you have to complete your reporting cycle by tomorrow. What do you do? Or today you have to complete your reporting cycle and you have to log the data, but you are not getting the exact problem where balance sheet is not tallying. So for the time being, we'll post a suspense account and we'll tally the balance sheet. Clear? Write down suspense account for temporarily tallying the balance sheet. Suspense account for temporarily tallying the balance sheet. Suspense account for temporarily tallying the balance sheet. Next point, Vijay Gar told ICP transaction. What do you mean by ICP transaction? It's not ICP transaction, it is ICP elimination adjustments. Write down fourth point, intercompany elimination adjustments. These adjustments we cannot do in SAP, right? Because in SAP cannot handle intercompany eliminations. So these adjustments we do in HFM or FCCS only. Fourth point is intercompany elimination adjustments. Right. So fifth point, any extraordinary items, you can call it as sometimes, right, we need to post journal entries. So any other item or any extraordinary item. So these are the reasons why we post journal entries. Everyone clear? Please ask any doubt in these 5 reasons. Ajit, Vijay
Sir,
garu.
last point, sir.
Any extraordinary item. Any extraordinary item. These court cases, right? These will come as extraordinary items. Below the line items means after trial balance adjustments. Okay? Right. So here, please read 5 points and ask any doubts.
So the example for extraordinary or other items.
Court case, you can, pending court case, we can put it as extraordinary item. Pending court case. After the data is published, after the data is locked, you came to know that you lost the case. Then again you have to go back and you have to do the changes. Okay. Right. So before starting the journal entries, you have to understand the value dimension flow. Right? So in our metadata grids, I have given you one grid. So let me open that grid. Double click on documents. Here I have given you one grid called PCA and PA. Expand metadata grids. In this one you can see MNOP. Yeah, PCA underscore PA. Okay, we will open this one. So when you see this, first we always enter data in entity currency and we post journal entries in entity currency adjustments. Together it will be entity currency total. Okay, and when you translate that, it will be parent currency. We can post parent currency adjustments also. Then it will be together, it will be parent currency total. Same thing will be transferred to parent. There will enter parent adjustments. It will be parent total. After that, based on our ownership data, proportion will be done, and then intercompany eliminations will be done, and then your final amount contribution will be coming to here. This is the flow of value dimension. So entity currency adjustment is a adjustment, yes, you know. Parent currency adjustment also adjustments. Parent adjustments also adjustments. Then what is the difference between parent adjustment and parent currency adjustments? That you will understand in next few 10 or 15 minutes. Okay. First we will try to enter, try to post entity currency adjustments. Right? We will see. See, journal entry. The layout of journal entry is similar, same, anywhere. Only thing is you have to understand the where to use standard journal, where to use recurring journal, where to use regular journal, where to use auto reversing journal. Entire layout is same. We'll see, right? Okay. So put heading journal entries. I mean, sorry, right? Here I have given you the steps also. So in this one, we have prepared the notes for journal entries. Okay. So HFM and FCCS notes. This one. So this is journal entry. See, entire journal entries I put it in. This is for your entry purpose. I will give you all this Excel sheet to all of you. So this is for attending the interviews with index. Okay, when you click on this one, see, automatically see journal entries, right? When you click on this, it will take you to journal entry space. In interviews, you can keep this in front of your in your desktop, and then, right, you can go to each chapter and you can means for forever. What do you say? If you forget anything, right, immediately you can refer here and you can answer. Okay, see, first one is steps for intercompany. I mean, sorry, steps for journal entries. First one is open periods. How do we open the periods? Go to expand journals, double click on periods. See, for journals, you have to open all the periods. For example, it is unopened, click on open button, it will be opened. Take another year, 2015. Unless and until you open period, right, you cannot post the journal entry. See, this February is not open, right? It will throw an error message when you post the journal entry to February. Clear? So click on this and click on open. Automatically it will be opened. That is first point. Second point, manage groups. Optional field it is. Then why do we need groups? So here, double click on manage. You can see groups. Sorry, double click on groups. See, I have BS, IS means income statement, right? Yes, Asia, AS, EU, US. Likewise, you can create groups. You want to filter it. Okay. Daily, you are posting a journal entries, right? Okay. Later, you want to filter the journal entries. Yes, you can filter with BS means all balance sheet journal entries. IS means all income statement journal entries. AS, IS means Asia income statement journal entries. AS, BS means Asia balance sheet journal entries. Likewise, you can create a groups and you can segregate or you can filter the journal entries based on the groups. Okay, that is called groups. How do we create the groups? Click on yes. I'll put it as EUROP, Europe, create. That's it. See? Now, whenever you are creating a journal entry, you can select the group. Right? That is called groups. Next, manage template. We will see what is template. There are two types of template: standard template and recurring template. We will see it. Now, we'll see the layout of the journal. We will create the journal. For journal, there will be always be a security. So when you open the shared services, journal rights particularly, see, So expand user directories, expand native directories, yes. Admin, right click, provision. Now see, when you expand HFM group, when you expand application, here you will see many options for journals. See, journal administrator. When you expand this, you approve journals, create unbalanced journals, create recurring, generate recurring, manage templates, post journals, read journals. Means one person will create the journal, another person will submit, another person will approve, another person will post. This is called workflow of journals. See here I have given you status of journals or workflow of journals. First, it will be in working status. When you submit, it will be in submitted. When you approve, it will be in approved. When you post, it will be posted. When you unpost, it will be in rejected. When you submit, it will be in submitted. When you unsubmit, it will be in working status again. So, starting point 1 to 10 and 10 to 1. Right? Yes, you can always change the status of the journal entries. Clear? In live, right? One person will create and another person will approve and another person will post the journal entry. Because this is the only place where we are manipulating the original data, correct? So there will be more security here. Unlike core data, we never touch that because it will come from SAP automatically. So no need of means for that one also there is security, but here literally we are changing the data in journal entries, correct? So you have to follow this status of journals. With admin directly from working status, you can post the journal. But with the normal user, right, you cannot do that. If he has approve, right, he can approve. If he has posting, right, then he can post. Otherwise, for all other people, simply they will give read-only journals. Means they can see the journals. They cannot edit, they cannot change the data, etc. Clear? All these rights are related to journal entry. Administrator means, journals administrator means he can do anything. Clear? We'll see now. So when I click on, to create a journal entry, double click on manage. See? Write down. Steps to create journal entry. Steps to create journal entry. Expand journals. Steps to create journal entry. Expand journals under application tasks. Double click on manage. Double click on manage. Expand journals under application tasks. Double click on manage. Next point. Select scenario, year, period. Select scenario, year, period, and entity currency adjustments. Write down like this only. Within arrow marks, entity CURR ADJS. Select entity currency adjustments from value dimension. From value dimension. Click on actions new journal. Or you can directly click on this new journal. Okay, click on actions new journal. See, here write down each and every attribute. First label, put in that one, right? Heading as label. It is unique and mandatory. Label, it is unique and mandatory. Here, what do you mean by unique and mandatory? Can anybody guess and tell? Unique and mandatory means?
Account should be unique, sir. And,
Yes, it cannot be duplicated. For example, I put it as IS elib. I cannot use the same word again. I cannot use the same label for another journal entry. Okay, so that is called unique and mandatory. Mandatory means it cannot be blank. Okay, right. Next, balance type. Balance type. Balance type. First one. In that one, first one, balance remains both debit and credit should be zero. I mean, should be equal. Balance remains both debit and credit value should be equal. Unbalanced remains either debit or credit. Unbalanced remains either debit or credit. Unbalanced remains either debit or credit. Third one, balanced by entity means for every entity, balanced by entity means for every entity it will check whether debit is equal to credit. For every entity it will check whether debit is equal to credit. Next, type regular or auto reversing. We will see that one. Write down type regular or auto reversing. You will understand what is auto reversing journal in next 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, we always create regular journal. Next group we discussed, right? Yes, you can select always any group, BS or AS, etc. Right, so status is in working. So I'll try to post it. Yeah, sorry. Type regular or auto reversing. Type regular or auto reversing. Next, description means narration. Description means narration. So for every journal entry we'll put a narration, right? For example, cash sales being goods sold on cash, goods sold for cash. Likewise, narration. So now here see, I will select the account here EAC underscore 101 100. Okay, done. So I select the entity ICP product, right? I select product as sum of the product. So yes, you can select this, or you can drag it to here, so that right you can select the production and everything. So data type I select as FD, journals, JOURNAL journals, right? See, as product. Okay, now I'll enter some 800. That's it. Save. Done. See, ISLM. Now when you see in the manage journals, you can see refresh here. Working status, it will be in working status, right? So wherever you go, it will be the same layout. When you click on edit button, right? See the same. This is label, balance type, regular or auto reversing group. This will not change. Now I'll post it. See, right click here. You can see submit. It will be in submitted status. Invalid item ID. IS underscore LM. So come here, edit. Okay, I'll put it as LM1. Okay, save. Okay, data type, right? It should be always journal only. It's not journals. Okay, right. Now yes, save. It need not be LM. Okay, save. Close this one. It will be in working status. Refresh. Now click on submit. What is the error message is saying? Journal need to be balanced in total, because we ticked balanced and debit is not equal to credit, means it should be double entry. Here debit, there should be credit also. That is the reason you cannot post unbalanced journal as a balanced. So I'll put it as unbalanced. Right? So again save it, close it. Now yes, you can submit. See? Submit. It will be submitted. Next you can see this is approved. It will be an approved. Next you can see you can post it. It will be posted. See? Right? Now you can see, right? Working, submit, submitted, approve, approved, post, posted. Now this is called a journal entry with entity currency adjustment. Now what is template? You need not write the notes, okay? See, standard template and recurring template. It is also a normal journal entry which can be used. Template means which can be used many times. Right? Standard template you can select from manage journal. See, we'll create a standard template now here. So double click on templates. So click on new standard template. Yes. See the same layout. Label yes std underscore temp standard template. Yes, unbalanced journal. Yes, you can put it as either Europe or IS or BS. Yes, anything IS. Okay, being journal posted, etc. etc. You will put the reason exactly. If it is intercompany elimination, right? If it is cash sales, then being goods sold on cash, etc. The exact narration will give. So account AC underscore 401000. Okay, it's income statement item. So India ICPN product. Okay, I'll put it as data type should always be journal, right? So select this. So it will take a lot of time. So drag it to front end. You can type it. You can drag all the dimensions to front end here. 1 minute. It is not coming. It will come. So I'll select as journal, right? Done. Now I enter some 777. Yes, save that. This is a invalid member name was specified. Where it is? 401. Okay, this right. So you don't know the account name, then double click on here. It will open the member hierarchy. Income statement, yes. Net income, income before taxes, total revenue, income from sales 4100. Sorry. So it's my mistake. I have forgotten that name. So save. Done. Yes, my standard template is ready. How do I use standard templates? From manage journals, right? Here I click on actions, new journal from template. See? Yes, my standard template is here. I'll select OK. It will be in working status. See? Save. That's it. Now see? When you refresh here, it will be in working status. Standard template. Yes, again directly you can post because you are administrator, right? Directly from working status to directly you can post, but normal people cannot post it. Okay, they have to submit, they have to approve, they have to post. But as a super admin, we are admins, you are all application admins, right? So directly you can post. See, this is done. This is called standard template. Then what is recurring template? Go to templates again. Click on actions, new recurring template. So we'll put the name as REC underscore TEMP temp. Same, put it as unbalanced journal. If you want to put group, yes, put group Europe. So select India, you can select any other UK, okay? Yes, you can take. Done. Account AC underscore 4100 or AC underscore 101 200. Yes. I am dragging the data type to here. It should come. Why it is not coming? I am not understanding. 1 minute. We'll drag product here. You can try. It will come. Okay, 100% it will come. I am not sure why it is not coming today. So journal, yes. Now same, right? Same label, same balance type, same group, same everything is same narration, BANG, being REC, TEMP, recurring template. Then what is the difference between standard template and recurring template? Can anybody tell? So
We can use the template as many as times for the recurring template.
yeah, even standard template also you can use many times. See, refresh. So standard, recurring. Please see what is the difference. Standard, this is standard, this is recurring. This is standard, this is recurring. Are you observing any difference?
Debit and credit to balance is not having.
No, that doesn't matter. No,
It is generating, sir. We
there is a button called generate here for recurring. Right? So 1 minute, recurring template, okay, edit, and we'll put some amount here so that, right, you don't be confused. So here I'll put it as 333. Okay, I'll save it. Here for recurring template, there is a generate button. If you clearly observe once again, right, it will show, see, standard template, there is no generate button here. For recurring, there is a generate button here. Why do we need recurring template? Okay, we'll discuss this. For example, Ajit, you answer. Okay, you are doing a reporting cycle. Yes,
Yeah.
your balance sheet is not tallied. You have to post a suspense account.
Right.
You got a difference of, say, in Indian rupees, we'll discuss. Okay, you got a difference of 100 rupees. What do? You have to close the reporting cycle today.
Okay. I'll be giving suspense account details, sir.
Suspense account 100 rupees. You will post. You will create a suspense account if it is a liability or asset which is right. You will adjust that and you will post a journal entry. Perfect, right?
Right.
Now, same next month also you got the difference, but the difference is not 100 rupees. It is 10 lakhs. What do you do? Will you simply post a journal entry without informing anyone?
No, sir. I need to inform them. So since there is a lot of difference, like 100 is
Whom do you inform?
to the higher official or higher official.
Higher official, correct. Right?
Right.
Now, here when you see the rights here, see, there is a generate recurring, right, button.
Right.
This is right. Whoever has got this right, they only can generate this journal. Normal people cannot do this. Okay. You cannot post a regular journal for extraordinary items, right? So here, your manager will log in. Sorry, here, right? Your manager will log in, and he will select this, and he will click on generate button. See? So yes, click OK. That's it. One journal is generated successfully. Now go to manage journals and refresh and see. Recurring template, it is in which status? See, standard journal will be in working status, but whereas recurring journal, it already came to approved status. Why?
So higher official got
Higher official did that one, right? You need not take the approval again. So that is the difference between recurring template and standard template. Clear? For recurring template, there will be a generate button. So here I have given the clear differences. See, standard template, normal journal entry, which can be used many times. Recurring template, it is also normal journal entry. Did you see any change in the layout? Same, right? Same label, same debit, same credit, same group, same balanced, unbalanced, etc. Right? Which can be used many times. Recurring template also you can use n number of times. See, can select standard template from manage journal. See, now when I click new journal from template, here I can see only standard templates. I cannot see a recurring template here. Because Recurring template can be generated by only a specific person who has that specific right. That is the reason you cannot select it under manage journals. Cannot select recurring template from manage journals. No generate button. Here, generate button. Click generate button and select scenario year and period. It will be in working status, but it will be in approved status. So standard template, this one we will see what is auto reversing journal, right? You cannot post recurring journal. You cannot create recurring journal as a auto reversing journal. We will see that one now. Okay, last point we will see. These 4 points you understood, right? See, journal layout. Journal means it is same wherever you go, whether it is recurring journal, whether it is standard journal, whether it is regular journal, or whether it is auto reversing journal. Everything is same. Usage is different. Standard templates for all regular suspense accounts, regular intercompany elimination adjustments, we create a template. We regularly use this. Recurring template, 99.99% we never use that. In my entire lifetime, I never saw people using recurring template. Okay? నేను ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదమ్మా, ఆ అవసరం రాదు మీకు ఎప్పుడు. బట్ ఎస్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాపర్ మీన్స్ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ రికరింగ్ జర్నల్. ఓకే, సో దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఆటో రివర్సింగ్ జర్నల్? నౌ క్వశ్చన్ అగైన్, Ajit. Okay, suspense account, you posted journal entry for 100 rupees.
Yeah.
Will you leave it like that? That
No,
100
sir.
rupees will always be in a suspense account?
No, sir. We need to adjust after a while, sir.
After the reporting cycle is completed, means we discussed it, right? For every company, they will put some reporting cycle as 10 days or 11 days or 12 days. After 12 days, what do you do? Remaining 18 days, what do you do? Will you sit idle? No. You will dig all the suspense accounts. You will clear all the suspense accounts. Because within 1 or 2 days, you could not find where went wrong. But after the reporting cycle is completed, next reporting cycle will be starting in 18 days, right? You will have some time, right? During that time, you always clear these suspense accounts. Yes, you exactly got the solution where it went wrong. Now what do you do, Ajit? We will reverse the journal entry, right?
Right, sir.
Whatever the journal entry you posted, you have to reverse it. Otherwise, your balance sheet will be always tallied.
Yeah.
So, for all suspense accounts, right, we always post auto reversing journal. We will see. See, I'll create a new journal. Yes. Here, instead of selecting regular, I select auto reversal. Okay, before selecting, this is 2015 January, right? I am closing this one. So, yes. Now I'll select February and I'll show you how it looks. February. Yes. Now see, can you see any journals in February? No, right? Refresh, no, right? Yes, we'll go back to January. Go back to Jan. Yes, we'll create a auto reversing journal now. Click on new. You can directly take standard template also, right? So here we'll change this. Okay, we'll change this as AUTO REVERS auto reverse journal. Okay, so instead of regular we select auto reversing. That's it, simple. Now save it, right? There is nothing changed. Balance type, everything will be same. Refresh, it will be in working status as it is. So directly I'll post this one now. So before posting, right, you please observe this 777, whether it is in debit or credit. Please observe here, this 777 amount is in credit or debit? Credit. Remember that. Now post. That's it. Now go to February and see. Can you see any journal entry here? The same journal entry, it will be reversed. See, what is the status of this 777 now?
Debit.
Means auto reversing journal, you need not reverse the journal manually. All auto reversing journals, next month it will be automatically reversed. And it will be in approved status. See, why approved status? Because January you already created, submitted, approved, and then posted, right? All the status completed. So this one directly you can post. Clear? That is the reason auto reversing journal will always be reversed in next month and it will be in approved status. You need not take special permission for again to post this. This is called auto reversing journal. Right? Everybody understood? Regular journal means normal journal entry. Standard template means all the templates regularly we use the templates. Recurring template means only your higher officials can do that one. 99% win. I told you right in my lifetime I never saw that people using a recurring template. But that is the purpose. Auto reversing means for all suspense accounts we use auto reversing journals. That's it. This is called journal entries. Any doubt? Ajit, Haritegaru, any doubt?
Good, sir.
Now, when you click on this value dimension, you see parent currency adjustments and parent adjustments, right? Now you have to understand what is parent currency adjustments and what is parent adjustments. So I told you for this one, I created a here. We will post first entry currency adjustment. First, I'll enter some data here in India. So 1000. See, remember clearly observe. So here also you got 1000. Clear? Because alternate hierarchy, wherever you enter data, it will be same data for all hierarchies. Okay, done. Now Asia, right? So you have to consolidate in Asia. Before consolidation, right? We'll enter some exchange rates. Go to documents. Where is exchange form? Open this. January 2014. I enter some. Okay, INR 69 2014, right? Click on 2014. 14. Enter some exchange rates. So I'll put it as 2, 3, submit data. Done. Done. Now clearly observe this one. So right click here and click on consolidate all with data. See? Refresh. Done. Here also consolidate all with data. Same management hierarchy and original hierarchy. There is no difference, right? Yes, perfect. So here 1000. Now we'll post a entity currency adjustment for Asia, India, and we'll see what happens. Come here. Sorry. Come here. Manage journals. Remove this templates we don't need. Manage journals. Journal groups we don't need. Journal periods we don't need. Okay. So 2014. Right? Okay. And January. Somebody has logged in 1 minute. And January. Right? Okay. So entity currency adjustments I am posting. So we have to post for, see which account we have to post it. Same account, take the same account. Account is 101 okay. FDMEE, roll forward, none laptops. So come here, manage journals, click on new journal. Yes. Okay, drag product dimension to front end. I'm not sure why it is not coming. It should come automatically. Okay. AC underscore 101 Okay. This one will go ECA, entity currency adjustments. Okay. So it should be unbalanced. So this is entity we are selecting as Asia, India, right? Done, perfect. no issues. And product as laptops. Done. Cash flow none, roll for none, data type should be journal entries. So I put it as 500. Okay. Save this one. Done. Close this. Refresh. Post. Directly post. Done. Now come here and refresh your data. Laptops, cash flow, roll forward none, FDME. Oh, sorry, FDME, right? So it's not journal, sorry. So come here and post this. Submit. Unsubmit. It will be in working status. So edit this one. It should not be journal entries. Okay, it should be FDME. Done. Right, save this one. Now close this and post it. Done. Now come here and refresh and see. See, it posted in both Asia India and Management India also. See? Correct? So now we'll post parent currency adjustments. What do you mean by parent currency adjustments? For example, you have posted this in INR. Yes, your INR balance sheet is tallied. You translated that INR to USD. Means your parent currency. 2, right? So 1000. Now once again right click, consolidate all with data. You will understand now. Here also right click, consolidate all with data. Now say refresh. So 1500 into 2. Exchange rates were given 2, right? So 3000. It came as 3000. So here you can post journal entry. For example, your balance sheet is not tallied in USD. Then what do? You cannot post journal entry in NT currency, INR. INR it is already tallied. So yes, you can post a journal entry for parent currency adjustments. Shall we do that one? Sorry, here, come here. Go to your manage journals. So here select parent currency adjustment. So parent currency adjustment, yes. Same India will select. Then click on new journal, yes. So here see, it came as USD automatically. If you select local currency, means India local currency is INR, right? It will come as INR, but parent currency, it will come as USD. Same. I'll put it as parent currency adjustment. Yes, perfect. So I'll select AC underscore 101 100. Same. Select as okay, India. Done. Now see, selected India. Okay, laptop always. And here done. So I'll put it as 300. Save. Done. PCA saved. Now when I post here, when I post this one, see what happens. Again it will be posted to journal needs to be balanced. Okay, right, open, click on unbalanced journal, right? So you cannot put journal. balanced. Unbalanced is save. That's it. Post it. అదేవిధంగా journal has no line item. Means AC underscore 101 100. So 300. Once again we have to select this. Then save. It's saved, right? Yes, PCA it's saved. Okay. Now refresh, click and post. Where it will be posted? Again, it will be posted both in Asia hierarchy and manage hierarchy. See? So whenever you enter data in entity currency, it will be entered both in both the hierarchies. Whenever you do the adjustments for entity currency adjustments, it will be posted in both the hierarchies. Even parent currency adjustments, it will be posted in both the hierarchies. So we'll do paste parent adjustment now. Now go to manage journals, select parent adjustment here. Now parent adjustments, it will be posted to only one hierarchy. Click on new journal, right? Same India, take India, right? Okay. Same AC underscore 101 100 and put PA parent adjustment and put, I'll put it as some 700. Done. Now I'll select FDME. Okay, and here I'll put laptop. Done. Now save. It should be unbalanced. Save. Now see, refresh. Same post. Now come here. It will not be posted for Asia hierarchy. It will be posted only for here. So your ultimate, right? Now you can right click and consolidate here, and you can right click and consolidate in Asia also. Now you will see the difference between main hierarchy and alternate hierarchy. This is how we manage the hierarchies. Okay, see. Now in main hierarchy you see 3,300, and in alternate hierarchy you see 4,000, right? This is how we always post journal entries and we do adjustments for different hierarchies. See, here I have given the difference between regular journal, auto reversing journal, entity currency adjustment and parent currency adjustments will be posted in all hierarchies. Parent adjustment will be posted to one particular hierarchy only. It is used for alternate reporting. Clear? This is called journal entries. Any doubt in journal entries? HFM journal entries? You understood the difference between entity currency adjustment, parent currency adjustment, and parent adjustments, right? In interviews, they'll ask you this difference. Okay, inter-currency adjustment means normal adjustments in local currency. It will be affected both hierarchies, in both hierarchies. Parent currency adjustments means it is parent currency. The adjustments will be done in parent currency. And again, it will be affected in both the hierarchies. Parent adjustment means it will be affected only in particular hierarchy where you post journal entry. Right? This is the difference. This is called journal entries in HFM. Any doubt?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in entity level, it is INR. In parent, it currency is USD. So automatically will it convert the rate, or how is that?
Yeah, we have given the exchange rate here, right? 2. Here I have just now we entered the exchange rates, right? 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Based on the end of the month, since it is a balance sheet item, it took 2 rate. 2. You can see here, you can see 1000 into 2, 2000. 1500 into 2, 3000.
Is that is an exception, sir, for HFM? Like, unlike we don't enter any kind of processing or exchange rates. So for general entries, we used to give the exchange rates.
Yeah, we always give the exchange rates, right? Otherwise, how do you translate? Translations will not be done right. Even that exchange rates will be given by SAP people only. They will extract that rates and they will give it to us. We load it into HFM directly. We don't manually enter that.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Then what about FCCS? Put heading FCCS journals. No need of confusion. No need of class. Yeah.
Hello sir, here we are entering data type as FDME, but in journals we are entering as journal, no sir.
Yeah, that is the drawback in HFM, because even though you put a member of journal entry, you cannot restrict that. But in FCCS, yes. Journal means you have to select journal only. We will see in the next 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Put heading FCCS journals. Pretty straightforward. Okay. Come here. Open FCCS. Yes. Okay. Can anybody guess and tell without any knowledge? Shall we try? Ajit. I don't tell anything. I don't discuss anything. Now I want to post a journal entry. We'll try. Please, which icon I have to click here? Please read carefully and tell. Harita garu, Suma garu, everyone. Try. All new students. Because FCCS journals, they made it very, 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 very easy. That's what we will confirm that now.
Consolidation journals, sir.
Enterprise journals and consolidation journals. Which one we have to click?
Enterprise journal, sir.
No, enterprise journals means get back to ERP.
Okay.
So this is very, very new option from last 2 versions only. Previously there is no enterprise journals. Okay, always consolidation journals. Shall I click on it? Click it, yes.
The related consolidation.
Wow.
Right. Now what should we do?
Create.
Or what do you create from template? గెస్ చేయండి అమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ ఇదే హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎంలో ఏది ఉందో అదే ఇక్కడ.
Account, sir. Account.
Create from template means recurring template and standard template. See here there is, this is called templates, right? Here same templates. When you create a template here, there are 2 types of template. Label std_temp temp. Journal type regular. Data source always journal input standard template. Group, yes, if you want to create groups you can create groups, right? Create. Here it is very, very easy. See India INDA, you can type directly INCOM or cash, we will put it as cash. Intercompany, no, INTR COM PANY. Moment CHANGS INCASH. Multigap LOCAL GAAP LAPTOPS laptops. That's it. So that main problem with our 888. See here you cannot post unbalanced. That one is missing here. See There is no concept of unbalanced journal. Always you have to paste balanced journal only. See what happened in HFM, every month people are posting the online suspense accounts and they are not clearing it. So during the month year end, right, December, all those suspense accounts are piling up, and it is becoming very difficult to reconcile those suspense accounts. So maybe after a lot of complaints, right? Yes, Oracle people has removed that unbalanced journals. Clear? There is no concept of unbalanced journals now. You have to create a balanced journal only. So yes, this one will put it as BANK Bank, anything. BANK Bank, same. Right? You're remembering everything. Here I'll put it as 888. Save, that's it. See? Yes, when you come here, either you can create a journal here or create from template. That's it. Refresh, 1 minute. Create from template, yes, apply. This button is not working, why? Refresh. What happened to this? Edit this. This is correct, right? Yes, standard template, regular, okay. India, right, but it is variance is also 0, yes. Close this one. So go to manage journals, same. Refresh, create from template, yes, apply. It is not applying, I'm not sure. Okay, we'll leave it, okay. Click on create, okay. Some XYZ journal type should always be auto reversing or regular. Data source will always be journal input. There is no other option given. Okay, description, yes. Click on create, yes. Again, India. Account is, you can put it as INCOME from SALA sales, yes. N1O INTRCOMPANY. Yes, CHNGS, INCASH, LOCLGGAP, product, LAPTOPS, yes, debit or credit is some 777, again create, BNK Bank, yes, as 777, save. That's it. Close. See here, you cannot directly post it here. Directly you cannot post. This removed. Even admin cannot post directly. So here, first thing is click on submit. Submit. It will ask for the period, okay? Period open. Recurring template is not working in FCCS, so you can leave it. Right now, approve. See, action approve cannot be performed on journal because the period is not open. Where is the periods? Click on navigate. Where is periods? ఎక్కడ ఉందమ్మా periods కనబడతలేదు నాకు. Manage periods, yes. Click on this. Right, so click on actions, open. Click on actions, open. Now go back to your consolidation journals. Select approve. Yes. Select post. That's it, post. Done? Same, you don't need to do anything in FCCS. So here, this consolidation entity input, right? Here they have given one more option called parent input. right? This one also you can create. Refresh. Yes, you can create parent input also. Nothing but your local currency, right? It will be posted in USD. That's it. Remaining everything is same as it is when compared to HFM. So what is the difference between HFM journals and FCCS journals? See, data type can be form, journal, FDME. Somebody asked, right, why we are keeping it FDME? Because it's a manually created one, right? So if you put form also, it doesn't matter. If you put FDME also, it doesn't matter. If you put journal also, it cannot restrict that one. But here in FCCS, you have to post the journal entry in journal input only. There is no other way. Second, can post entry currency adjustment or parent currency adjustments or parent adjustments. Only entry currency adjustment. So here previously there is no parent adjustments here. This parent input is newly introduced. Okay, that is the reason this notes, right? It should be changed, not only. Yeah, okay. Adjustment also. Next. Can post unbalanced journal. Here there is no concept of unbalanced journal. You have to post balanced journal only. Next. Cannot copy journal to next period. Yes, here I cannot copy these journals to next year. So, right, this one can I copy to next year? No, but in FCCS, yes, I can always copy journals to next month, next, etc. See, parent total, entity total, entity input. Okay, done, go. So click on this one. You can see copy journals to, yes, you can select 15 February or March or April, anything. Yes, January to copy. That's it. Okay, sorry. Click on copy and remove this journal here. Yes, copy. Journal edges with label XYZ. Yes. Again copy to next month. April. Remove this. Done. It will be copied. See. Copy to April. Now you can see March, April. You can see journals copied here. The same journal. You can see it will be in working status. In HFM, you cannot copy journals. There is no such provision. Here in FCCS, yes. Next difference is standard template is same in both HFM and FCCS. Yes. Recurring template generate button, but in recurring template, right? It is, if period is not open, it is not working. Okay, as of now, remove. You need not practice recurring template in FCCS. Clear? It is not working. Trust me. In last version also it did not work. Even in current version also it won't work. In FCCS new version, you can post journal entry for parent currency. Just now we discussed, right? Select parent input under consolidation. Currency will automatically come as parent. See, come here. When you select, so just give me 1 second. So here when I open this one, what is the currency here you are saying? Entity currency, right? Close this one. Now select parent input. Parent total, entity, sorry, not entity, parent input. Okay, go. Now see, when I create here, what is the currency you are seeing here? First you have to select the entity, right? So journal type as regular, label ABC. Okay, done. Data source, journal input. Now when I create here, when I select my INDA, India, see automatically it comes as parent currency. See, why do we need to post journal entries in parent currencies? I told you, right? Okay, you have completed your reporting cycle. Your balance sheet is perfectly tallying in local currency. When you translated that to USD or your parent currency, there it is not tallying. You are getting some exchange rate differences. Sorry, in the points, right? Why do we need to post journal entries? First point, 5 points, right? First point, write it as exchange rate differences also. Sixth point, exchange rate differences. The very, very important point we missed. For exchange rate differences, yes, we have to post journal entry, right? Yes, because your balance sheet is already tallied in INR. You cannot change that. You cannot post journal entry to INR because it is already tallied. So your balance sheet is not tallying in USD when after translation. So you need to post journal entry only for your parent currency USD. For that reason, we use this parent currency. Clear? Yeah, discard changes. Any doubts here? I'll ask some questions. Please correct that one, right? First 5 points, right? Right. For foreign exchange differences. Reason foreign exchange differences. First thing we have to write that one. First one is foreign exchange differences. Second one is after trade balance adjustments. Third one is intercompany adjustments. Fourth one is rectification of errors. Fifth one is ఇంకోటి ఏం చెప్పుకున్నామమ్మా
Suspense accounting.
సస్పెన్స్ అకౌంట్. సిక్స్త్ వన్ is any extraordinary items. Okay, total 6 reasons. Clear everyone? It's my mistake, I forgotten that. Now very easy in FCCS, right? No need of confusion anything. So now I'll ask you another question now. Ajit, why do we need to this? Okay, not why do we need, see how many journal entries do we post every month? How many journal entries do we post every month? Anybody can tell. Harita, Gaurav, Suma garu, Sunil, anyone? How many journal entries do you post
Based on the transaction only, sir.
every month?
Like based on the transaction which happened. I mean, journal entries is meant for day-to-day trading. I'm sorry.
No. In HFM there is no concept of day to day, right? Monthly, we post monthly transactions. How many?
Right.
Per month, how many transactions? It's
Depend
a
upon
logical
client,
question.
sir. Depend
you
on
have to-
client.
Sorry, depend on?
Client, end user client.
That is not the correct. So you have to answer your client. I'm asking you your past experience. How many journal entries you posted since last 3 or 4 months? You cannot say depending upon client, right?
Okay, sir.
So this is a logical question, okay? Every monthly means it's a management reporting, right? We post 10 or 15 journal entries, max 10. If it is a quarterly reporting, it is a legal reporting as well as monthly reporting, right? Every quarter we post 30 or 25 or 20, 30 or like that. If it is a annual reporting, year-end reporting, yes, we literally post 50 journal entries. Everyone clear? Monthly reporting aithe, since we submit all the reports to only management, it's a normal reporting cycle. We post a normal adjustments, 10 max, 10, 11, 12 like that. Everyone clear? Quarterly means legal reporting and management reporting. Yes, 30. You can say any number. Okay? But logically you have to answer. If it is a normal reporting cycle, 10. If it is quarterly reporting, 20, 25. If it is annual reporting, yes, 50 journal entries. We do many adjustments during annual reporting. Okay? Right. Ajit, next one more question to you.
Yes, sir.
To all of you, yeah. How many journal entries do you post as a consultant? How many journal entries do you post?
As it mentioned, 10 or 15. Like,
No, we never post any journal entry as a consultant, okay?
okay.
Journal entries is a end user job. As a consultant, we never post a single journal entry also in our entire lifetime. Trust me.
Okay.
Then why do we learn this chapter?
If there are any issues, we will come to know.
Correct.
about it.
Whenever end user faces any issue, right, he will raise a ticket. You have to solve that one. So you should know the complete process of journal entries. Even though you don't post a single journal entry as a support person or as an implementation person or as anything, whatever your job is, reporting cycle, admin, whether you are an admin or a support person or a development person or implementation specialist, we never post journal entry. It is core end user job. Okay, but whenever he issues he faces any issues, right, immediately he will raise a ticket. You have to solve that one. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can we automate this journal entry?
We can, sir.
Yes. In HFM, yes, we can automate. In FCCS, no. So in HFM, how do we automate that one?
Through macros.
No, simple. Macro or simple notepad. Come here. So here extract, right? Extract journals. So 2000, I'll put 15. Done. Done. So period is, yes, I'll put it as all third generation periods. Means it will extract all the from January to December. That's it. Remaining everything I'll put like that only. Right? Entity dimension I'll put it as legal entity base members. All base members it will give. Done. Value dimension, yes, you can put it as entity currency adjustments. Yes. Done. Right? Remaining everything extract. That's it. Done. Download. It will be .glf files. Save as. Yes, so I'll put it as under documents. I'm keeping this so that it will be easy for you, right? View downloads. Open folder. So see, open this one. Done. You have to understand this. Okay? You need not take all recurring template I'm removing. We don't need this. Right? One journal I'm taking, only one journal. Reverse, I am removing everything, I'm taking only one journal. Okay? Done. Now see, can I use this for any other journal? Yes, you can use it. See, what is this U? Unbalanced. What is this R? Regular. What is this P? Posted. So I want this journal in working status. What should I do? This P should be. I want this journal in working status. What should I change this here? P should be as
W.
W. Perfect. Copy this one. Paste it here. Now I want another journal with approved status. What should I do?
So W means
Working.
okay.
P means posted. A means approved. So here I don't want regular journal. I want auto reversing journal. What should I do?
Yes.
A. Perfect. Now here you cannot duplicate the same name, right? So here I'll put ISLM auto reversing AR. Okay, that's it. Now I want this for 2016 April. What should I do?
YT.
And here it should be January should be APR. That's it. Now save this journal and load it automatically. We'll change this 800 here. We'll change this 800 to 666. That's it. Save. 2016 April. See, approved, right? First, only thing you have to check is this April should be open. Period should be open. Now come here. Go to manage periods. So periods. So 2015, what is the year we have? 16, 2016. Done. Everything is unopened. So from here to here it is open. Done. We are good now. That's it. Now load journals. That's it. Browse documents. Journals. Did we save this one? Save, right? Right. That's it. Before that one, right? We'll go to cancel. We'll go to journals, manage journals, and see whether any existing journals or not. Where is manage journals? 2016 April, right? 2016. Done. Period is April. Entity currency adjustments. Done. Entity currency adjustments. That's it. Done. So refresh. There is no journals at all. Now when you load journals, right? Browse Right? Load, that's it. See whether you see any error messages. Here you can see the error messages. So yes, load journals completed. Now come to manage journals and refresh and see. You see two journals. One is approved, one is working. Correct? Yes, through Notepad, yes, you can load all the journals. So this facility is not there in FCCS. FCCS it is very easy. Simply you need not open the Notepad. Simply you can copy the journals to whatever you want. Correct? So that is the reason you don't need to put it in Notepad. They made it very easy. Okay. Okay, see, every journal you can post it. You can say copy to next whatever month you want. You can copy that one. No need of loading. This is called journal entries. Can I create a report here? Yes, you can always create a report. Journal entries reports. Click on this report. Actions. New report. Journal report. You have to select the POV, that's it. My report is my report, my RPT, my JRPT, right? That's it. Select label, whatever you want, Inti currency, you don't know anything. So put everything, that's it. Right? So, right? Style sheet, okay. Format is report format is either PDF or Excel. I'll put it as PDF. Done. Entity, select entity as India. Right. So this report, right, we'll create it as a template. Every month we'll change the period name. That's it. That's it. So run the report. That. Save it. See, it will be saved in my report. Yes, in my documents. Run the report now. Automatically, you will see the report generated. See, clear. Likewise, yes, every report you can generate. Likewise, in FCCS also. Click on home directory, click on reports here. Here you will see many reports, financial reports, intercompany reports, journal reports. Here see reports, financial reports, documents, journal reports. Click on journal reports, click on create. You have to take the correct POV. Label, do you know the label? Right, if you know the entity, yes, Asia, India, okay. So remaining everything leave default. So okay. So period for which month we have posted the journal entry, January, right? Okay, period is January. If you take the correct POV, even it will come. That's it. That's it. Journal type. All.
Sir, only January will take, na?
Yeah, data source.
Here March also taken in period.
Status all. Okay, done. Now run report. Anything you can take, no issues. If you know the label, directly you can generate the report with that label. If you don't know label, see, journal report. See? It is very easy in FCCS also. Only thing is you have to take the correct POV. Clear? This is called journals. Same thing here. So this notes, right? I'll give it to you. You have to follow these notes, okay? So I'll change this notes date as. So remove this. Yes, FCCS. So what is today's date? 9th February.
9th.
This is corely for interview purpose, okay? You can upgrade this one as per your convenience. So this is the concept behind journal entries. Are we good?
So while taking that credit and debit, it will always be same, or we can take
See,
different.
no need of worry about credit and debit because in our team there will be a functional consultant, right? He will tell you whether you have to put debit or credit. Okay. So only you have to see. First of all, Indrajit, I told you, right? You never post a journal entry in our lifetime. It is a core end user job. Clear? But if he gets any error, then you have to solve that one. So don't bother about data, whether you have to put.
హలో
Yeah.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్ సార్ చెప్తారా?
చెప్పండి.
అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్ ఎఫ్సిసిఎస్లో ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో ఒకసారి చూపించారు.
FCCS లో
అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్
అప్రూవల్ అయినట్టు మనం రేపు చెప్పుకుందామండి. రేపు ఆ చాప్టర్ చెప్తాను నేను మీకు. అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్ ఉంది కదా, నేను ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. రేపు అదే చాప్టర్ చెప్తాను మీకు డీటెయిల్గా. ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్గా చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. రైట్, సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్, మేనేజ్ అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్. ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. క్లిక్ ఆన్ యాడ్ బటన్. ఇది 5 నిమిషాలు అవుదండి మీకు. రేపంతా మీకు టైం ఉందా రేపటికి?
యా సార్, ఇప్పుడు జనరల్గా చెప్పండి, నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను రేపు.
ఇక్కడ హైరార్కీ నేమ్ మై యూనిట్. ఇక్కడ అప్రూవల్స్ ఆల్ ఆర్ కస్టమ్. ఇక్కడ కన్సల్టేషన్ బాటమ్ అప్. హైరార్కీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను నేను ఇక్కడ. రైట్, ఓన్లీ ఈ హైరార్కీ మాత్రం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను. క్లిక్ నెక్స్ట్. ఇక్కడ ఓనర్స్ని అసైన్ చేస్తాను. రైట్, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో. నో నీడ్, ఎనీబడి కెన్ డూ because you are all administrators, right? Here I am leaving that one. In live you have to give the owner because all are not administrators, so it is synchronized. This is called approval unit. Next step ఏంటంటే మీకు నోట్స్ ఒకటి ఉంది, క్లియర్గా ఇచ్చి ఉంటాను మీకు. ఈ నోట్స్ మీ దగ్గర ఉందా? అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్ ప్రాసెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ నోట్స్ అని ఇచ్చి ఉంటాను చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ఇదండి అప్రూవల్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇది మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది చూడండి. ఈ నోట్స్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది చూడండి. ఈ నోట్స్ లేని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారమ్మా? 17 January 2022 అప్రూవల్ యూనిట్.
I'm also
ఇది హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం అని ఉంది కదా, ఎఫ్సిసిఎస్ కూడా ఉందా సార్ దీంట్లో?
రెండు హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం FCCS రెండు ఉంది చూడండి ఇక్కడ. డీటెయిల్డ్ నోట్స్. హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం ఇది మేనేజ్ అప్రూవల్స్ ఇన్ FCCS, ఇది ప్రాసెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది కదా మనకి. ద సేమ్ థింగ్ హియర్, వీ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అప్రూవల్స్. రేపు చెప్పుకుందాం ఇది మనం.
ఓకే సార్, యా.
ఈజీ చాప్టర్, వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఇన్ హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం కొంచెం టిపికల్గా ఉంటుంది, కానీ FCCS అన్ని వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ సే ఈజ్ హార్డ్ ఇన్ హెచ్ఎఫ్ఎం, దే మేడ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఈజీ ఇన్ FCCS.
ఓకే.
రేపు సెక్యూరిటీ అండ్ అప్రూవల్స్ ఇన్ FCCS టుమారో చాప్టర్. ఓకే, ఎవరీవన్ క్లియర్? డన్. ఈ నోట్స్ అందరికీ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ పెడుతున్నాను, ప్లీజ్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇట్.
యా, ఓకే సార్.
డన్ ఫర్ ద డే.